Hello everybody and welcome to Exploring Abandoned Places in Finland with me, Syrbex, Finland Exploration.
And me, Masturbo. Just Masturbo.
Alright.
So we found this small building. I think it's been inhabited at some point, but it sure looks like it isn't anymore.
Yes, and it's probably a train car.
Yeah. It's built around one and you can kind of see it when we go inside.
We opened those doors because the smell was extremely bad in there. In this room here is 2 apartments. If someone ever lived here, I have no idea. I saw a little bit this from outside. I must cover my nose because the smell is so bad.
I think it's just so much of the old magazines that have been left to rot here.
There's also
how many years? We can actually check that. Oh, that's a pretty new one.
yes, that is 2003.
And I think the Ilta-Sanomat is from probably the 90s. Here you can see the curvature in the roof. It's one of the signs that this was built around a train car.
Yeah.
Let's go take a look inside.
Okay, the smell is not anymore so bad.
Yeah.
Oh, yes it is, but and this was the toilet.
Closet. Water closet.
Water closet, yes. Ugh. Yes, 2003 was the last year when someone collect these newspapers. I think these are those solarium glasses.
Yeah.
And
It's an old postcard. Moses. Oh, photos. So there's a table for some reason.
and some old furnitures.
Yeah. The owners probably took him when they left. And just left the place like this.
And those are much older.
Yeah,
Those
I think that's from
Ilta-Sanomat and
79.
79.
Most of these are, from the 70s, so I guess that's when this place was last inhabited.
Yeah, I think so also. And maybe someone just dropped these old magazines. Okay, this was the smaller part and this is a little bit bigger here.
That's some kind of old stool here. And something pretty fucked up.
Pirkka magazine from 88. This is from 69. Uusi Suomi. And also school books Someone had birthday.
Let's see who it was. If we can. I think it was someone's 11th birthday.
Yes.
And greetings from some woman named Taija. Let's just leave that there.
So happy birthday, Taija. Little bit late,
it's a
but
bit late.
but better late than never. Or how you say it. I try to make 4K quality video this time because I have no idea why this gimbal DJI program changed it to only 720 resolutions every time. Not much left.
Yeah, just old magazines and some paintings. Must be an original Rembrandt.
There's something on the back. No. Oh, the kitchen.
Let's see what we have for dinner tonight. Nothing.
I think. Nothing. Oh. Old skis. And lonely fake flower. And more art. So pretty. Hei, kato, tos lukee 720p taas. Tosta se varmaan muutetaan. Okay, so no 4K.
No 4K videos for you. Old breaker box.
It's here a toilet. Oh, the smell is so nice. Disgusting. And traditional jackets.
This one is actually pretty nice. This.
Do you want to try it?
No, it's probably a bit too small for me. Kind of 70s floral.
Yes. Scarf. Okay, let's go check a little bit this from outside more. And
There's many good reasons to choose Black & Decker. 1975.
so funny. More fake flowers. Fake flowers last forever. Kato, iron. I have same kind of what I use.
I hope it's not that dirty.
It's maybe more at this moment.
Saku original.
Check out how old it is. from 1820.
Do we just close the doors at this point?
Yeah. Alright. This was just a random find. We are going to explore something bigger today. It's
something a lot bigger.
yes, and it's very nice. First days in this summer or late spring. What the fuck? There is a TP. Okay, see you soon, and I try to fix that resolution problem. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.